maths teacher from class nursery. This is your maths book. Open it. Look at page number 7. In this page, we introduce shape. Learn, trace and color the circle. Which shape is this? Circle. Which shape is this? Circle. And circle is basic shape. Circle is basic shape. Circle has no sides and no corner. Circle has no sides and no corner. And circle has a round shape. Which shape is this? Circle. And circle has round shape. Look at here. What is this? This is chapati. What is this? Chapati. And chapati has also circle shape. Chapati. In second picture, what you see? Clock. What is this? Clock. Clock has also circle shape. Look at here. It's circle shape. Pizza. And what is the shape of pizza? Pizza has also circle shape. Look at here. This is circle shape and circle has round shape. Circle has round and round. Round and round. Dear students, today we color the shape. Which shape we color? Circle. What is this? Circle. First we trace, then we color it. Okay, you start from top and go round and round. Which shape is this? Circle. Which shape is this? Circle. You trace slowly and slowly. Circle. Again, repeat with me. Circle. Which shape is this? Circle. Okay, good. Trace slowly. Okay, yeah, we done it. We used red color in circle. Which color is this? Red color. Which color is in my hand? Red color. We use red color in circle. You start from here. Color it slowly. Okay, good. Okay, dear students, you use red color in circle. I have done it. You also done it at home. This is your today's work. Allah Hafiz.